Hi guys, my name is Tina and I welcome you to my channel Sprinkle Beauty with Tina. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this simple everyday makeup look. I have already applied BB cream on my face, and on the top of it, I'm applying this concealer to hide my dark circles and highlight the high points of my face. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend this out. To set the concealer, I am applying loose powder under my eyes and on my T-zone. Moving on, for my brows, I am going to use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It's very affordable and the shade range is good for Indian skin tone. I'm going to use this liquid lipstick as my blush, eyeshadow and lip color today. On the top of the blush, I'm going to apply this loose powder just to make everything look very seamless and blended. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to use this highlighter to highlight my brow bone area. Now I'm going to apply this lip color on my eyelids using the same brush that I used for highlighter application. This brush that I'm using is from Vichy and the name is Crease Eyeshadow Blending Brush, and this brush is so amazing. It blends the eyeshadow so beautifully that I don't want to go back to my old brushes now. Here I am using this Maybelline highlighter on the top of my eyelids just to give it a little shine. Now using this Faces Magnetic Eyes eyeliner, I am going to create a small winged eyeliner. This is an everyday makeup look, so I'm not going for a dramatic winged eyeliner, although it's completely up to you. If you want, you can draw a very crisp and winged eyeliner. If you are wondering why I'm showing you lipstick option here when eventually we all have to wear the mask, then let me tell you guys, I'm that kind of a person who wear lipstick even under the mask. So yeah. So that completes the look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Till then, bye bye and take care.